Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, fog lamps, rear parking aid, FWD, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Your new ride is just a phone call away.